Okay, so here is the best way on how to get pet in Kingshot. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the way on how you can get any pet in Kingshot. So getting a pet is simple but very straightforward. What you can do is just simply keep on upgrading your stuff like this, and you have to reach a specifically a level for a pet. So if you aren't on that level, you won't be able to unlock any pets. So just make sure you upgrade your town center, just gotta upgrade your town center and make sure that you got everything what you need to update, and keep on thriving. So you just gotta make sure that you're doing everything correctly, and you're just doing the playing the game every day, and you just gotta complete your missions and everything. Once you've done that, they will directly show you the way on how you can get a pet. It will directly just show you. But right now, if you're like on a lower level, like me, like I'm on a very low level and I cannot unlock pets right now. But if you get to high level, they will automatically show you the way on how you can unlock pets. So just keep on upgrading stuff, just keep on doing upgrades like this. And once you've upgraded your stuff, you'll get it more levels eventually, and you'll unlock pets. So here, as you can see, this is what heroes looks like. And right next to heroes, you'll see pet. You can see the locks. So once you've got more level, you'll be able to unlock it more. So you just gotta reach at least level 8 or 9 for this. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon.